Hello everyone that is watching this video. Welcome to this. This should be a little bit of a video tutorial, so let's get up to it. Here I will be introducing you to this plugin that I made. This plugin, I called it MemoryPwner. You can call it whatever you want, but I will be releasing these um, soon enough, so probably when I finish doing the video. So what this plugin allows you to do is to basically, when you're working with a game, it will help you out. For example, I have this game over here, and I'll try to use a, like, for example, blue eye macro or any other type of external tool to modify addresses, or to modify values, I should rather say, to modify values in the process memory. You'll find out that some processes have protected read-only memory pages. Not all the memory is the same, of course, so some memory is protected, some memory fortunately is not protected. But for example, for this game I found this memory protected, which I found that it was quite useful for this game. And there's some things that can be done in this particular area of the memory, that if you do it well, you will get some benefit from it. But the main point, the main thing that I'm trying to say is that if you try to modify an area in the memory, for example, this is in this case that it's read only from an external source like Blue Eye Micro or something like that, you will not be able to do it. Or for example, if you create your own tool, or like if you code it in C Standard or whatever in Visual Basic, and you're trying to use read and write memory. I mean, I think you could read, well, as it states here, you could read it, but you won't be able to write it. That's why I created this MemoryPwner, this memory plugin. I will go ahead and show you what are the capabilities of it and how it can help you out. So, for example, I wanted to modify this specific type, this specific area, I should say, of the memory in this game. And also, if you have already tried, like, programming your own hacks or whatever, or bots or whatever, to any kind of game, you probably have encountered these already. That you have encountered yourself against these type of memory that is read only. So this will help you out greatly with Blue Eye Micro. So let's go ahead and start doing the general routine for this. Obviously, if you have your plugin installed, it will show up here. If not, then you did something wrong. You have to reinstall it, or I don't know, or rerun the Blue Eye Macro. So this is my instruction, or my this will be the function itself of what it does. Let's go ahead and select it, and as soon as you select it, you will see 3 fields in which, of course, they're just common sense. It's not rocket science to know what each of these are. But I even put some tooltips there in order to help you and assist you in whatever you need to know. But hopefully with this tutorial you'll be able to understand this plugin, how it works, and that's it. So for the first field, the argument, it's a target process name, or just a process name of your target, I should say. So in this case, you just want to put the name of the process. It behaves like the default process name target process name from Blue Eye Macro. You don't have to include the trailing.exe extension after the name. So you just only type God's War, or in this case, well, the process name, and then here you just type the address that you want to modify in the memory page. For example, these read-only memory, this specific area, it's on the base of 00961 and 3 leading zeros. And the size is around 63,000. So the only thing that I just want is to modify the first few bytes, and that should be it. So 9696 and then 1000, I guess, right? Yep, 0096 1000. This should be it then. Now the size, since I just want a little bit, I don't want to make the whole page writable. I just want a few bytes, so I should say like 1000 bytes. But the first 1000 bytes, that should make at least this area writable. So it covers from 1000 over here, or from this. Let me check here. So it covers from here all the way to 1000 more. Alright, so now let's just end the procedure, and as you can see, the code view, it's pretty straightforward. Make memory page writable, target name, address, and the size of bytes that you would like to have edited, modified. And then whenever this changes, you will see that it will change to read-only, from read-only to read, execute, and write. It would unlock the whole access for you. Alright, so let's save it and close it, and let's execute it. Start macro. And as you can see, it started and it finished already. And if you saw already, it was like in a snap of fingers. It was like real fast. It already changed the page, modified the page access to execute, read, and write, and it's not only read only now. If you want to see that again, let's do it one more time. Okay. As you can see, it's read only right now, but if I run the macro once more, it changed the memory page access to our desired result. It actually unlocks the whole area, so you can execute, read, and write from that memory in from the memory area. All right. 9 minutes is more than enough. I have explained already a few things already. I think, well, if you have any other problems or suggestions or something like that, just comment in the thread, and I shall be able to review your comment. Alright, so hope that I helped on something, and I hope that this plugin helps a lot of people out there that are having problems with their they're trying to write memory, but they can, they can get it going. So I hope that I helped. Bye bye.